Dear students, in the last video we had discussed about part 2, direct indirect speech. If the reporting verb is in the past tense and the reported clause is in the simple present. Okay, so I had briefly discussed how to change the direct into indirect. Okay, if the reported clause is in the simple present tense. Okay, all structure I had discussed. Positive, negative, yes, no, and also double H. Okay, so if you have not watched, you can go to the playlist and watch part 1 and also part 2. Okay, so here as in the part 1 I have discussed if the reporting verb is in the present tense, okay, or future tense, the tenses of the verb of the direct speech don't change. Okay, so just I like to remind you, so here, okay, he says, I play cricket. Okay, I play cricket. So this is reporting verb. Okay, this is reporting verb. So here, if the reporting verb is in the present tense, the tense of the verb of the direct speech, this is direct speech. Inverted comma is used here. Okay, so this is, we called it reported clause. Reported clause, and the verb, this is reported verb. So here no tense will change here. He says, okay, so here the indirect speech will be he says. Okay, he says that he plays cricket. Pronoun changes according to he plays cricket. So here tense remains same. Here simple present, so here remains simple present. Okay, just here another, or the future tense, like reporting verb. Okay, we are talking about reporting verb. He will say, okay, he will say, I have done, okay, I have done my work. Okay, so this is reporting verb. Okay, future tense, so here no tense will be changed in the indirect speech while you change the direct into indirect. So this is reported verb, have done. So what will be the answer of the indirect? So he will say that, okay, he will say that, okay, he has done his homework. Clear? He has done his homework. So here pronoun changes as I have already discussed. Okay, mine will change into his. Okay, he will say that. So here the tense remains same. Here present perfect, have done remains same, present perfect, has done. Okay, so you have to just remember all these rules. Okay, so you have to just remember the reporting verb. Okay, about the tense of the reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, like say or says, or like, okay, future tense, the tenses of the verb of the direct speech don't change. Okay, so this is the most important. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, okay, so you have to remember some rules about it. Okay, and here the tenses of the universal truth and habitual actions remain unchanged. Okay, unchanged in reported. So here tenses of universal truth and habitual actions remain unchanged. Just example, he said, okay, he said sugar taste sweet. Okay, so sugar taste sweet, this is general truth. Okay, here the reporting verb is in the past tense, but here no tense will be changed. So here the tense will remain same. He said that sugar taste sweet, not tasted. Okay, so here in this video we will discuss about if the direct speech is in the present continuous. Okay, all structure negative, yes, no, double H. So here present continuous, this is the structure of affirmative. Okay, subject plus ijamar plus v1 ing plus other. Okay, he said I am doing my homework. He said. So here this is reporting verb is in past tense. Okay, here the reporting verb is in past tense. I am doing my, okay, homework. So here you know pronoun will be changed. I will change into he, and am will change into was. Okay, then mine will change into his. So here present continuous will change into past continuous. Okay, he told that he was doing his homework. Okay, so here this is present continuous. The present continuous will change into past continuous. Okay, past continuous. Clear? This is the structure of positive. Then so here I have mentioned the structure in direct speech. Okay, in the direct speech the structure subject, okay, is MR plus V1 ing. Okay, so what will change in the indirect speech? Here subject, then is MR. Okay, here it will change into was or were plus verb ing. Clear? Then another example here too. Rohan said to me, I am going to school. Okay, Rohan told me, okay, that here I changed into he. Then am is in present, it will change into past, was. Then going here same. So here present continuous change into past continuous. Then next negative. So here this is the structure of negative. Subject plus is MR plus not plus verb ing plus other. Okay, so what will change in the indirect speech? Okay, just is MR will change into was or were. Okay, according to the number of person. So here he said, I am not writing a letter. Okay, so he said that he was not writing a letter. So this is present continuous will change into past continuous. Okay, am will change into was. Then okay, so here pronoun will change. I will change into he. Clear? He said, I am not writing a letter. He told that he was not writing a letter. Then next, interrogative. This is the structure of yes no is MR plus subject plus V1 ing plus other. Okay, so what will change in the indirect speech? As I have already told that if the question asks you in a yes no structure, then we will use if or whether. Okay, if or whether plus subject plus verb ing plus other. Okay, here example. So here my mother said to me, are you going to market now? Okay, so my mother asked me. You can also write wanted to know or asked. Okay, so here said to me, my mother asked me. Okay, are you? So this is yes no structure. Okay, so you will write if or whether. Okay, if or whether. Clear? My mother asked me if or whether. Okay, asked me, are you? So you means I. Okay, asked me if further I was. Okay, I was going to the market. Now we'll change into then. Okay, now we'll change into then. So here this is this is in yes no question, and this is the structure of indirect speech, if or whether plus subject here. Okay, you have to follow this structure. Then another example, the teacher said to me, are you reading this book? Okay, the teacher asked me. Okay, if or whether me. Okay, so here me will change into I was reading this book will change into that book. Okay, then next WH. So here type 1 WH word used as the subject. John said, who is playing with us? Okay, so here the structure will be as the same in the present continuous. Okay, WH word plus okay was or were plus V1 ing. Okay, plus other. So here John said, who is playing with us? John asked who was playing with them. Okay, who was. So is will change into was. Okay, then another example, the man said, who is making noise? Okay, the man asked who was. So here is change into was. Okay, who was making noise? Then another example, Raj said, who is talking to him? Okay, Raj asked who was talking to him. Okay, so here is change into what? This is too easy. Okay, here present continuous will change into past continuous. Then another type 2, okay, used as object. Okay, Ben said to Sen, what are you doing? So here Ben asked Jane what. Okay, what The structure will here I have mentioned WH word plus subject plus verb, auxiliary verb, okay, plus verb 1 ing. So here WH word, okay, what, then subject he, okay, then verb, auxiliary verb was, then main verb ing. Clear? Just look at this again here. WH word, okay, so here WH word already mentioned what in the question. Then subject, then you have to find out the subject. What are you doing? So here sen, okay, here you refer to sen, so you will use he, okay, here subject is he. Then here was, auxiliary verb is used, then main verb ing, okay, what he was doing, what he was doing. Then another example, Gita said, whom are you waiting for? Gita asked me, okay, Gita said to me, whom are you waiting for? Gita asked me, here the same, okay, WH word plus a subject plus auxiliary verb plus V1 ing. Clear? Gita said to me, whom are you? So you know here you means me. So here I will be used. Clear? Then next another example, she asked, what are you buying tomorrow? What are you buying tomorrow? She wanted to know. You can write she wanted to know, or she asked what. Similar same sub WH word, then subject plus auxiliary verb plus V1 ing. Okay, what I was buying tomorrow. So here tomorrow will change into next day. Clear? Then type 3, WH word used as an adverb. Okay. So Mohan said to his brother, when is father arriving? Mohan asked his father, okay, when their father, okay. When their father, there when, okay, their father, okay, was I same similar structure will be, same structure procedure will be followed here. Subject their father, you know, Mohan said to his brother. That means here father is whose father? Their father. Okay. Then another example here. He asked, where are they playing now? Okay. He wanted to know. Okay. He asked, or you can write, he wanted to know where they were playing. Similar structure here. WH word plus subject plus auxiliary verb plus ing. So now we'll change into then. This is too easy. Just you have to remember all the structure here. WH word. Okay. Then I have already told about subject, so they will here remain same. Then are will change into are, okay. Then playing remains same ing form, now change into then. Clear? Then another example here, I said, when are you reading this book? Okay, so here same, I asked when, here WH word already given, in the question. So just you have to change the tense. Are is changed into was, okay, because you know this is reporting verb is in past tense. So here present continuous will change into past continuous. Was you know here, yes, I said when are you, I asked when he was, okay, when he was reading this book will change into that book. Clear? Then next example, Shreya asked her teacher, why is the earth moving around the sun? Just look at the sentence. This is no, you know, universal truth or general truth, we can call it universal truth. So here present continuous will not change into past continuous. Here the tense remains same. Okay, tense remains same. You know, when we are talking about someone's habit, or when we are talking about the universal truth, eternal truth, in that case the tense remains same. Okay, so another example, taken another example, just like we had already discussed in the part 1. Okay, like my teacher said the sun rises in the east. You know this is simple present. Okay, so this is reporting verb is simple past. So in other rule I have told you that here if the direct speech is in simple present, it will change in simple past. So you will write the answer here, the sun rose in the east. That will be wrong. Okay, so here the tense remains same. The teacher said that, okay, the teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Okay, the sun rises in the east. So here tense remains same. Simple present here remains same, simple present, not rose. Okay, because this is universal truth. So here similarly, Shreya asked her teacher, why is the earth moving around the sun? But you have to follow the structure. Okay, Shreya wanted to know from her teacher why. Okay, WH word here, then subject the earth. Okay, is moving, not was moving. Okay, is moving around the sun. Clear? Then type 4, be verb. Be verb here, if reported clause, reported, direct speech. Okay, direct speech. Auxiliary verb and subject. In indirect speech it will change into subject plus auxiliary verb. So here just look at this example, direct speech. He said, why are you disturbing her? Okay, why are you? So here auxiliary verb, subject. Okay, so what will change in here? Just look at this, subject plus auxiliary verb. Clear? He asked why he was disturbing her. Clear? Here auxiliary verb plus subject change into subject plus auxiliary verb, as we have already discussed in the simple present WH structure. Okay, type 4, this is just like similar to the above here. Okay, type 3. Okay, type 3, just look at this example. So here just look at this example here. Okay, auxiliary verb, subject. So here just same. Okay, auxiliary verb, subject. So here change into, okay, subject plus auxiliary. Okay, so here type 4 is just like type 3. Okay, so that's why I have given only one example, as I have already discussed in type 3. Okay, so the next type 5, WH word plus noun. So here she asked me, which book are you reading? Here WH word plus noun. So what will change here? WH word, then here noun. Okay, plus subject. So here noun, here book. Okay, then subject I, then auxiliary verb was, then reading V1 ing. Clear? Which book are you reading? Which book? Okay, I was reading. Clear? Then another example here, I said to my father, which mobile are you buying for me? Which mobile? Okay, here which, WH word, here noun. Okay, then subject he, are you means my father, he. Okay, are, see present continuous change into past continuous, was buying for me. Clear? So these are already discussed in the part 1. Part 2, simple present will change into simple past. Okay, to here, okay, to here discussing this part, present continuous will change into past continuous. Then in the next video we will discuss about present perfect changes into past perfect. It's yes, no. Okay, WH, negative. Clear? So if you have not watched the part 1, part 2, then you can go to the playlist and watch. Okay, so here in declarative verb you can change the reporting verb. Okay, argue, disclose, deny, express, mention, promise, reply, request, suggest, then acknowledge, comment, declare, explain, insist, observe, protest, report, submit, tell. So these words you can use in reporting according to the mood of the sentence. Okay, so we will use in these words in imperative. Okay, interrogative, here I have already discussed, wanted to know. Okay, demand, inquired, questioned, wanted to know, wondered. Okay, so here yes no, this is yes no structure, this is interrogative yes no part. Okay, we use these words to ask a question. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, Okay, you can comment in the comment box. So thank you.